Welcome to Mechanic. Today here in Mechanic we have a 2015 Audi Q7 and we are going to show you how to be able to work on this vehicle. So to start with, we need to be able to open up the hood. Come around to the driver's door. Open the door. If you got to unlock it, or you may need to use your manual key depending if your battery is dead. And then here is the latch to be able to pop the first latch for your hood to open up. And when we come back around to the front, right here above the emblem, we have a little latch lever right in the middle there. And you just gotta pull that, and then it'll raise up. There's this little tab right there. Raises up, supports with the support rods to hold it up, or the lift struts, and that would be how you'd open up your hood to be able to gain access to do work in the engine bay. Thanks for watching Mechanic, where you can be the mechanic.